So I saved a total of $509, which is a 66% discount. OMG. What's up, y'all? I look kind of crazy today, but I finally got my stuff from a TikTok shop seller. Their name is Beauty Finds and they do live auctions on TikTok. I got 2 solo items and then I got a whole box worth of stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I don't even remember what I got, honestly. I'm gonna show y'all the receipt so y'all don't think I'm lying. Every single part of the receipt says no cancels, so I don't know what exactly I got, but we are gonna have fun finding out. Go ahead and unbox everything and then I'll be back to show you y'all. So I did the math, I did the calculations. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got these 2 items from the YSL auction. This is the YSL Lines Liberator Waterproof Eye Pencil in the shade 9 Unmuted White. This retails for $36. I paid $10. I got the YSL Love Nude Lip Blusher in the shade 1. This retails for $43. I paid $21. I also forgot to mention that I got 2 of the YSL lip blushers. One in the bucket game and then the one that I bought. After this, I was just like, I was kind of just geeked up, and then they just so happened to do the bucket game. So I was like, fuck it, like I'm on a roll. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's do it. So with the bucket game, I got all of this. Starting off, I got the K18 Molecular Repair Hair Mist, the Lancome Monsieur Big Extra Volume Mascara, Valentino Born Aroma Perfume Body Shimmer, Topical Slather Exfoliating Body Serum, Lancome Advanced Genifique Serum, Scalp Revival Healthy Hair and Scalp Mask. I got the Burberry Kisses Matte Lip Color, Huda Beauty Full Filler Extra Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Glassy, Gucci Gloss Pumping Lip Gloss in the shade Terracina Red, the Dibs Go To Glossy Bomb in the shade Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Lip Bar in the shade Walk of No Shame, Mugler Cologne Blow It Up, Travel Spray Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the shade Strawberry Soft Serve, Moroccan Oil Perfume Travel Spray, Glow Recipe Double the Glow Set, Tatcha the Kiss You Lip Mask, Touchland Berry Bliss Hand Sanitizer, and the Color Wild Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. So in total, I got 22 products. The retail value for everything that I got is $770 roughly, and in total I paid $261 for all these goodies. So I saved a total of $509, which is a 66% discount. Alright y'all, and that concludes everything that I got from my first and probably only TikTok auction. I think I got a pretty good deal, honestly. I don't know if I would do this again, but I'm not disappointed in the results from it at all. So if y'all want to go ahead and try it, you can find Beauty Finds on TikTok Live. I'm going to tag them down below. And yeah, thanks for watching.